Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hey guys.
Here to show you our 1969 Cutlass Supreme. She's equipped with a 350 Rocket motor in it with an automatic transmission. Cyber gray paint with black stripes. This is a power steering, power brakes with the front brake disc conversion, and power steering and air conditioning. Has all Brady red with black piping interior with a ridiculously loud stereo with two 12-inch subs in the trunk.
Oh yeah.
Along with touchscreen. And I'm not sure what the name of these wheels are. Luxury alloy wheels. They're
Pretty
nice.
gangster. Pretty gangster.
And the custom interior is pretty badass.
Yep. Super clean, super brand new. Everything else looks to be stocked. They got a new stereo, obviously, with some speakers in there. Pretty freaking cool. Power windows. Headrest is nice, kind of suede. Really pretty. Alright, now for the fun part. We're gonna take it for a spin. And turn up the stereo a little. Stay tuned. Here we are, 69 Oldsmobile Cutlass test drive.
Nice sound. Fuel gauge, speedometer gauge both work. It doesn't have any other gauges, so it's all dummy lights.
Okay.
The clock doesn't seem to want to work, which
It's typical.
typical. Oh, it's here, you might flip it up here.
The stereo does sound really good, but we have the radio on, so I don't want to turn it up too loud, but it definitely has some bump in the back. I don't know if you can really tell, but there is some lights underneath the dash. That's kind of cool, little custom touches. She's got a nice rumble. I really like the way it sounds.
Yeah, she feels good.
Yep.
Transmission feels good. Steering feels good. Brakes are very good.
Yes, brakes are very
Got a front
good.
disc conversion, power brakes.
Got a little bit of traffic. We'll let it come up here and we'll let it go through the gears one more time so you can see how nice the transmission is working.
Oh yeah, this shit's nice. Steering feels real good. There's no play, no vibrations.
Cool. Just an awesome, fun car to drive and to look at. Come check it out. We're going to take it back to the shop. We'll put it up on the lift and we'll take a look underneath. Thanks so much.